y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with an exciting unboxing. So you want to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay. Alright you all, so if you watched my last vlog where I went to the mall, went shopping, I said that I purchased something from Marc Jacobs. You guys will never ever guess what I have, and it is not what you think, you guys. So when in that vlog, I went for the woven collection. I could not decide, you guys, between the small and the medium. I purchased the medium because it fits better with my body frame, but I really love the small one because that's the size that I usually get. But once I got it, I was torn, so I returned it, and y'all, I saw this. Baby, this didn't come from Marc Jacobs. This came from Neiman's. She is all the things. So let me show you, y'all. Look. Y'all ready? I got, you guys, oh my God, y'all. I got the mini sack bag in the denim crystals. Y'all, get into her. Let me get into her. Oh my God, y'all, she is stunning. Oh my God, look. Girl, I haven't seen anyone with this bag. I haven't seen that many people with the sack bags in general, but y'all, they are beautiful bags. Now, the only thing, she doesn't have any feet. So we're going to have to find a way to protect her. But y'all, oh my good. Y'all, I think I'm done with denim. Y'all, get into her, y'all. So let me pull the stuffing out. Here's the dust bag. Okay. So this does come with, I guess, more like, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but right here is some more like little crystals. There you go. Like some more little crystals if, should some of them fall off. So the official name of this is the, girl, I don't know, I guess it's the mini sack light blue crystal. That's what this says. Y'all, get into this gorgeousness. You know we're going to go outside, right? We are going to go outside. I'm going to wait for the sun to come up just a little bit more. It's early. Y'all. Oh my God. So the difference between, there is a difference. Let me show you the inside. Hold on. I hope y'all can see in. Maybe if I do it this way. I'm trying to play with where I position the camera, because if y'all knew where I recorded at, y'all be like, what? But there's windows around this entire room. I'm talking about wall to wall windows. So I don't know why it looks so dark. But anyway, y'all see that it's just an open. If y'all can see, it's just an open hole, right? Okay, there you go. Okay, if y'all can see, it's just an open hole. Nothing to this. Now, let me show you my other one. All right, here's my other sack bag. Y'all, she just is sexy. Oh my goodness, look at her. The black one. She's just so sexy. Anyway, so the difference between the two is, you know how this one has this middle compartment. You know, this middle compartment comes out. It doesn't detach. but let's pull the stuffing out of this one. It doesn't detach, but it does like come out like so. The denim one doesn't have that. So, and I did look it up and make sure that I didn't have a defective bag or anything, and that's how the denim one comes. So I think what I'm going to do is try to find some kind of organizer or something that can fit inside of the denim one, because we can't mess her up, because y'all, she is giving, look at, y'all, these bags are sickening. They are so sexy. I think I'm done with the mini sack bag. I think I'm done. But y'all, like, they give two totally different vibes. That polka dot one, y'all, is nice too. And that green one is nice too. But I think I'm content with the two that I have. Of course, you know, they do have the magnetic closures. That's how you close them, so they look like so when they are closed. Y'all, you can't tell me this ain't, baby. So this, it only has the rhinestones on the top, the crystals or whatever, on the top and the outside of the bag. There's none under the handle of this bag, so it is comfortable in the hand. What I can say about the sack bag in the woven print, when I picked those up, those were not comfortable, you know, when I picked them up. It wasn't comfortable on these fingers, you know, when you pick it up like so. But y'all, she is the bee's knees. She got the twirl on, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. What do y'all think? Oh my God. We gotta go outside in the sun, y'all. I was thinking about trying to find a matching card case to go, but I can do black and white, or I can do something in denim. I don't think Marc Jacobs had a matching card case for this per se, but y'all know we can find anything to go with this, anything. So I'm gonna go outside. Well, I'll just put in the shots when I go outside when the sun come up a little bit more. All right, you all, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing. What do we think, y'all? We love her. We love her. She is just stunning, y'all. If you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.